ocean, water and ice frozen. Overnight flights so the mics get ripped open. I never had a chance rocking hand-me-down pants. Now I'm chilling in France, filling passports with stamps. Who would've thought? I wish that my father was still here, kicking knowledge in my ear when my thoughts aren't clear. But every time I'm 30,000 feet up in the stratosphere, I got an angel on the wings to extinguish the fear. Now the world's not as big as when I was a little kid. I got fans in Deutschland who know every song I did. Backstage getting sweated by these typical whores. You couldn't pull them off the dick with centrifugal force. World tours feel hardcore as World War I. Family members see the pictures and think that it's all fun, but nights with no sleep and shitty food to eat and 12-hour drives got me emotionally beat. But retreat's not an option. I got fans in Scotland who travel to see me in London. It shows that I'm rocking, so I pose for the photos, pop a couple of no-dos, pass some promos and sign demigods logos.
Even when the lights are fading, I'm just trying to take you beyond the stars, bring you to this world we built that's rightfully ours.
It's all for you, it's really all for you. It's all for you, it's really all for you.
So many places, unfamiliar faces, playing stages, game on fanfares, the bases. Between me and A's, a long ass playlist. Sweat pouring from the house lights and lasers. Back-to-back shows, racking up cash flow. They're on to another town, touching asphalt under the skies of Norway. Where folks back home wouldn't believe that it was midnight, yet it looked like noon. The clock in my head is still on that EST time. High off excitement, otherwise I'll be asleep now. Though I took a vow to entertain crowds, takes a toll on my body quite often when I'm globetrotting. A 2-week stretch is truly a test with no days off. The rest becomes very intense. Selling your own merch, opportunists leaping at the chance to get your voice on the verse. Shit is trash, it won't work. Moving right along, vows in my mental log. Look for the statue returning home, flying from abroad. No, sleep. All I'm thinking is sleep when I hit the door.
Even when the lights are fading, take you beyond the stars, bring you to this world we built that's rightfully ours.
It's all for you, it's really all for you. It's all for you, it's really all for you.
Stars, bring you to this world we built that's rightfully ours.
It's all for you, it's really all for you. It's all for you, it's really all for you.
Nigga grown on my own, I've been paying bills, saving still, said no to a major deal, I take what's real. Hard working, cause stagnant's a thing I hate to feel. So every verse and every song with every bar I aim to kill. Groupies say let's chill, I'm with it if you bout it. We at the crib and we sippin', I hit it then kick her rowdy. If I'm with Dizzy it's cloudy, if I'm with Eric it's rowdy. If I'm with action it's cracking, I'm snapping, nobody doubt me and I've been through it. But now we grown ups, gotta grow up, they show up when my show's up. It's sold out and you know what, that's cool shit. Achievements I look back as I surpass them, but never forget the first time that it happened. And as I'm on the road, I'm loving this busy life that I chose. I'm doing everything I want before a nigga get too old. I take pictures with my fans, I'm happy and my smile shows. I tell my mama that I got her cause she had me now I'm grown.
Midnight, staring at an empty sky. I realize every day we identify. The further I go, the more that I learn, the more that I know it's about to be my turn. Cause I'm grown.
beer, listen with the phone in my ear. Sound of my mother's voice, so consoling to hear. As I get older, it seems like more and more every year. She's becoming less of a mother and more of a peer. We be talking about my taxes, I'm trying to wild out. She tells me how much better calm and relaxed is, but getting fucked up's what I do best. And I ain't trying to make life a snooze fest, I'm just trying to be less reckless. Less sipping Vex with breakfast, less unprotected sex with exes, less ecstasy and less excess, less stress. I don't know how many breaths my chest got left of death. I used to be fearless, now I sense its nearness, so I'm trying to cherish every experience that I can. Cause I'm a grown ass man, going each and every place with the mic in my hand. It's like that.